In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a unique ID and URL so you can access your schedule without having to log into TeamWork 5 every time. The option to create a public page is something that is controlled by your manager. So if we get to the next step and you don't see public pages in your new menu bar, that means that you do not have that feature available to you. Let's go to that new menu bar. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Settings. Once you arrive at your information page, go to your new top menu bar and click on Public Pages. Now you should arrive at a page that looks like this. That top gray box is your unique ID, and that is what creates the URL that you will use to access your schedule without having to log into TeamWork 5. Now this URL is not secret, meaning anyone with it can view your page. So you can copy this URL down here that says test your public page and email it to yourself or to anyone who you might want to share your schedule with, like a spouse or some other family member, or maybe an assistant who helps you with your schedule. Click on that URL if you want to view your schedule now. This is what your schedule will look like using your unique URL. You can view any of your months, any of your shifts, but you cannot change anything. This URL is simply for looking at your schedule. Let's go back to TeamWork 5. Under your unique URL, you'll see a link to iCal formatted data. That is the information that you're going to need if you want to embed your schedule in an electronic calendar of some kind, something like Microsoft Office or Google Calendars. They're going to eventually ask you for your iCal link. This is what you're going to copy and paste there. To figure out how to do that for your specific application, you'll need to follow their tutorial. If for some reason you want to change your unique ID and URL, all you have to do is hit the blue clear button. All of your unique ID information has been wiped out and it's been saved. If you want to create a new unique ID, click Add. And now you have a new URL to use to access your schedule. Notice that the letters and numbers, even though they're still random, are different. And that's all you have to do to create a unique ID and URL to access your schedule without having to log into TeamWork 5. To learn about more features of your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.